WXYZ is a cyclic quadrilateral. XY and ZW when extended meet at U. If angle XOZ is 96 degrees and angle YUZ is 30 degrees, find the measure of angle YZW. Okay. So again, you can try it out and resume for the solution. Okay, guys. So there are many ways people dabble around. People, jump here and there to find different angles. I will tell you the shortest way to solve the same question. Okay, it's given that angle XOZ is 96 degrees. Okay, but we know that here in this case YUZ also is 30. Fine. Now, if you observe carefully, angle XWZ jo hoga, guys, this angle here. This angle is the inscribed angle for this complete arc. तो ये आर्क का या जो भी सेंट्रल एंगल का मेजर होगा ये एंगल हो जाएगा उसका हाफ, isn't it? So angle XWZ will be half of 96, which is 48 degrees. Okay, guys. So next step, we can observe that XWZ, okay, XWZ here, which is 48 degrees, is the remote interior angle with respect to ZYU. Okay, so these two angles will be equal. Okay, for a cyclic quadrilateral XWZY. Okay, for this quadrilateral, okay, ZYU is the exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to the remote interior angle. So यहाँ से हमें ZYU का value मिलेगा, that is 48 degrees. Now observe, guys, YZW is the exterior angle for triangle ZYU, right? This triangle ZYU, okay, इसका ये exterior angle हुआ, right? So this angle will be 48 plus 30, 78 degrees, and that's the required answer. As simple as that, right? All right, guys. So we'll go on to the next question. Triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle with its vertices on the circle. Point A on minor arc BD is marked on the circle such that AB equal to 6 and AD equals to 12. Find AC in this case. Okay, guys. So we have the triangle BCD here. Okay, A is lying on the minor arc BD. So this is where we'll take point A. Okay, and it is given that AB is equal to 6. All right, guys, let's go on to the next question. Triangle BCD is an equilateral triangle with its vertices on the circle. Point A, okay, on minor arc BD is marked on the circle such that AB equals to 6 and AD equals to 12. Find the length of AC. Okay, guys, so this is the circle. BCD is the equilateral triangle, and on BD we have the point A. Okay, now guys, observe that I have drawn the line segment AC over here. So ABCD becomes the cyclic quadrilateral, right, guys? So there is a very quick shortcut to solve this and rather these questions. Okay, जहाँ पे there is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and I guess you are dealing with the diagonals of the cyclic quadrilateral, right? So we have a theorem. It's called the Ptolemy's theorem for cyclic quadrilateral. इस पे एक question आया था CAT में बहुत साल पहले. Okay, and it's also important for the other exams as well. So I would recommend that you know this. इसका derivation again you can use similarity of triangles. यहाँ पे suppose मैंने point E mark किया, ABE, then उसके बाद EDC are similar, BC and AD are similar. Okay, you can apply similarity and prove it. Okay, so the Ptolemy's theorem, guys, says that the product of the opposite sides. Okay, so if you take AD and CD, इनका product AB and CD, AB into CD, and the other two opposite sides AD and BC. Okay, so the product of the opposite sides, you take their sum. This is equal to product of the diagonals. Okay, दो opposite sides का product लो, उनको add करो, and just equate it to the product of the diagonals. This is called as the Ptolemy's theorem. So in this case, for any cyclic quadrilateral, you can know that, okay, AB into CD, okay, plus AD into BC is AC into BD. The sum of the products of the opposite sides is equal to the product of the diagonals. Okay. Okay, now you can just assume the sides of the equilateral triangle as P in this case. We have been given AB as 6 and AD as 12, and AC is to be found. Okay, so put in the values. Okay, you'll get AB, which is given as 6 here in this case. Okay, CD is the side of the equilateral triangle P. Okay, AD is given as 12 to you in the question. BC is nothing but side of the equilateral triangle as P. Okay, AC हमें find करना है, and BD is side of the equilateral triangle P. Okay, so P gets cancelled everywhere. AC is nothing but 6 plus 12 equals to 80 units. As simple as that, right?